I'm going to show you why your Coinbase Pro order has not been filled, why it's still sitting there on an open order. And what you'll learn in this video can also be applied to other exchanges as well. And if that sounds interesting, make sure to stick around for the video and don't forget to smash the like button. Welcome aboard the Bitcoin Express. My name is Chase. Let's get to it. When it comes to buying and selling cryptocurrency, there are different ways you can go about it. When going on an exchange such as Coinbase.com, so not Coinbase Pro, or something like Gemini, this is for a new person. They make it simple and easy. And when you go ahead and you buy or you sell something, it's done through a market order. With a market order, the order will execute immediately at the best available current market price. So this is what people that are new into the space traditionally use. But when you go ahead and use something like Coinbase Pro or maybe a more advanced exchange, this is for people, maybe professionals or people that want more control of how they're buying and selling cryptocurrency. These people don't use market orders. Instead, they use things such as stop orders and limit orders. And when it comes to these kinds of orders, you specify the price at which the order should execute. So I'm going to show you why people that go onto something like Coinbase Pro have an issue because they might not know about these types of orders, and then they're just sitting there and their order is open and it's never getting filled. I'm inside the Coinbase Pro application and I want to buy some OXT, some Orchid. So I go ahead and I click buy. And we're going to see that right away it says limit order by default. Of course, I could change this to market order, but it's going to say limit order by default. Let's say I want to buy one OXT. It's going to set the limit price right here, 0.2534. And if we look in the upper right-hand corner, this is the price that it's going for on the market. So if that's the price going on the market, let's say 0.25, 25 cents, but I want a better price. I don't want to pay 25 cents. I only want to pay 22 cents. And if I set that order, place buy order, we're going to see I have an open order here. Because right now the market is selling it for 25 cents. But I said no, I want to buy it for 22 cents. So until it actually comes back down to that price, my order is going to be open. So what I can do is I could either leave this here until it's filled, or I could cancel it. Now this is the problem that most people encounter. They go ahead and they want to buy something. So they want to buy Orchid, right? And they set the price at 1, and then they have their limit price. As they're waiting, the price for what Orchid or any asset is going for on the market in the upper right-hand corner may change while they're still doing their order. Right now, as I'm making this order, it's actually remaining the same, but they might enter that limit price, and then they're looking through the numbers. They're doing this, they're typing 6, maybe they want 2. They're previewing the order, and as they're doing this, the price on the market might actually change. So now when they go ahead and they set their buy order, just like I showed you before, I wanted to buy it at a better price, it won't be filled. Let me show you a more practical example. Before I was using big price differences, 25 cents and 22 cents. Let's say I want to go ahead and I want to buy OXT, limit price 25 cents, 20.2510. But if we look in the upper right hand corner, the market's selling it for 0.2534, which is just a little bit higher. These prices are so close. These are those discrepancies that you don't notice when you go ahead and you set your order. So I want to go ahead and I want to buy this, place buy order, and I'm going to see it's open order because I am not matching the market price. So I have to either wait or I could cancel this order. Now let's look at a practical example from the sell side. Let's say I set a limit price sell at 0.2578. If we look in the upper right hand corner, we can see the market price right now is 0.2540. Again, these prices look very, very similar, but my price is just a little bit higher. These are those differences that when you're setting your order in real time, you don't notice these little discrepancies. If I go ahead and I do place sell order, we're going to see my order is open. So I either have to wait until the market price matches my price, or this will just remain open. And of course, I could cancel it and I can start the whole process over again. I hope I explained that well. If you didn't fully understand it, please put your comments and questions down below. I'll do my best to answer. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.